Hello students, this is question from class 10, chapter 8 trigonometry. Choose the correct option and justify your answer. Our first part is 2 10 30 by 1 plus 10 square 30 here. So let's see what our question is. Our question is 2 10 30 by 1 plus 10 square 30. We know trigonometric value for 10 30 is 1 by root 3. Now we will place this 1030 by 1 by root 3 and we will have 2 into 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by root 3 squaring it. We have 2 by root 3 in the numerator and in denominator we will have 1 plus 1 by 3 here. Now taking 3 as LCM here, we have numerator is 2 root 3 and our denominator will be taking 3 as LCM, we will have 3 plus 1, that is 2 root 3 by 4 by 3, or you can say 2 root 3. This will get reciprocal and we will have 3 by 4 here. Cancelling this out, we have 3 by 2 root 3 in the denominator. 2 root. Now we will rationalize this. We have 3 2 root 3 multiply by 2 root 3 multiply by 2 root 3. We will have 6 root 3 in the numerator and in denominator we have 2 to the 4 and root 3 into root 3 is 3. So 4 3 the 12 here. Cancelling this out, we have root 3 by 2. Trigonometric value root 3 by 2 is for sin 60. So our option A is the correct answer. Now let's go to our second part, that is 1 plus 10 square 45 by 1, that is 1 minus 10 square 45, 1 plus 10 square 45. We know trigonometric value for 10 45 is 1. So this will be 1 minus 1 square or 1 plus 1 square, that will be 0 by 2 or 0. So for our second part, our D option 0 is the correct answer. Then now let's go to our third part, that is sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a is true when a is equal to, we have been given value 0, 30, 45 and 60. Now let's start with 0 here. So let's say let a is equal to 0. Okay, now what is our question? Our question is here is sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a, right? Now putting a as 0, our LHS is equal to sin 2a, then it will be sin 2 into 0, or that will be sin 0 degree, and trigonometric value for sin 0 is 0. Now let us go to our RHS. Our RHS is 2 sin a. Putting this value a as 0 here, we have 2 sin 0 degree. Sin 0 is again 0. So it will be 2 into 0, that is 0 degree. Now our LHS is 0 and our RHS is also 0. So this is for third part, our correct option will be A, that is 0 degree. Now let us go to our fourth part. Our fourth part is 2 10 30 by 1 minus 10 square 30. Now let's write down 2 10 30 degree by 1 minus 10 square 30. So we know our 10 trigonometric value for 10 30 is 1 by root 3. So it will be 2 into 1 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by root 3 squaring it, and we have 2 root 3 in the numerator and in denominator we have 1 minus 1 by 3. Now taking 3 as LCM here, we will have 2 root 3 in the numerator and in denominator we will have 3 minus 1 by 3 here, that will be 2 root 3 by 2 by 3, that will be equal to 2 by root 3. This will get reciprocal and we will have 3 by 2 here. This cancels out and we have 3 by root 3 here. Now we will rationalize this, and we have 3 root 3 multiplying by root 3 by root 3, that is 3 root 3 by 3. This cancels out and we have root 3. So we know our trigonometric value root 3 is for tan 60. So for our fourth question, option C is correct. I hope you understood this question. Thank you.